today we're going to be changing out the battery on this 2015 Cadillac Escalade key fob. What's required is going to be your CR2032 battery, and optional is going to be a flathead screwdriver. We're going to go ahead and start off and pressing and releasing our key blade. We're going to go ahead and use our blade as a wedge and create separation between the fob and the fob cover. We're going to go ahead and remove that. We're just going to identify our battery. You could either use your flathead or just go ahead and use your key to pry it out. Remember, this is a CR2032 battery. And insert the new battery at the same position you just used to remove the other. Now that our battery is aligned and fastened, we're going to go ahead and put everything back together. We're going to go ahead and start off with the edges and come back down, hearing those clicks as we go. And we're going to go ahead and get our key blade and insert it into the slot. Hear that click. Go ahead and do another 360 to make sure everything is fastened, and double check that key. You're good to go.